Welcome to New Car Info, your ultimate destination for exploring the most fascinating vehicles in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the Porsche 914 Spyder, a car that has captured the hearts of enthusiasts with its distinctive design, impressive engineering, and historical significance. The Porsche 914 Spyder stands out with its unique and unmistakable exterior. Designed as a mid-engine sports car, its sleek, low-slung profile emphasizes aerodynamic efficiency and sporty aesthetics. The Spyder features pop-up headlights that blend seamlessly into the body when not in use, giving it a clean and streamlined appearance. Its Targa-style roof allows for an open-top driving experience, providing a thrilling connection to the road and the elements. These sharp contours and minimal overhangs contribute to its timeless design, making it a car that still turns heads decades after its debut. Step inside the Porsche 914 Spyder, and you're greeted with the cabin design for the driving enthusiast. The interior is minimalistic yet functional, with a focus on ergonomics and driver engagement. The low-slung seating position provides excellent visibility, while the compact dimensions of the cockpit make the driver feel one with the car. The dashboard is straightforward, featuring analog gadgets that deliver essential information with clarity. High-quality materials such as leather-trimmed seats and a functional steering wheel enhance the overall experience. Though compact, the interior offers surprising practicality with ample storage space behind the seats and in the front trunk. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, lies the heart of the Porsche 914 Spyder. The mid-engine layout ensures exceptional balance and handling, making it a joy to drive on winding roads. The Spyder was offered with a range of engines, from a 1.7 liter flat 4 to a more powerful 2.0 liter flat 6, depending on the variant and market. These engines deliver peppy performance with responsive throttle and a distinctive exhaust note that adds to the driving excitement. The lightweight construction of the car further enhances its agility, while the precise steering and well-tuned suspension provide a level of control that's hard to match in its class. The Porsche 914 Spyder also comes with an iconic reputation for affordability, making it an accessible entry point into the Porsche world. Back in its production years, the car was priced competitively, offering enthusiasts a genuine Porsche experience without breaking the bank. Today, the value of a well-maintained 914 Spyder can vary significantly, ranging from $20,000 to over $50,000 depending on condition, originality, and rarity. As we wrap up, the Porsche 914 Spyder is more than just a car. It's a symbol of innovation, collaboration, and timeless appeal. It's a vehicle that continues to inspire admiration from car enthusiasts and collectors around the globe. Thank you for joining us here on New Car Info, where we bring you the most detailed insights into the world of automobiles. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting automotive content.